It's a morning Friday ngayon at napagtripan natin maglakad at mag-jogging from my place to downtown Honolulu. And I was captivated by the beauty of surroundings. I couldn't resist capturing videos at ma-share ito sa inyo. So tara, tignan ninyo ang tsura ng downtown dito sa lugar ng Honolulu. Yes, siguro pareho tayo na naiisip. Bakit kokonti lang yung mga nakikitang taong naglalakad sa labas? Siguro kasi ang Hawaii is an island, so halos maliit lang talagang isla to eh. So yung population is mainly limited comparing sa mainland cities ng US. It's likely one of the main reasons why Hawaii is among the most expensive states to live in the USA. Kasi sobrang peaceful, modern, and breathtaking naman talaga ng mga tanawin dito. But for the sake of this video, I can only share itong area ng downtown. While walking around every corner of the area, naisip ko lang ang BGC. Pero aminin man natin, few people lang ang makaka-afford to live and stay on that area. Kaya sa mga tulad nating nangangarap, keep grinding lang tayo and one day ma-afford din natin ang buhay na pinapangarap natin. Di ba?